Hello everyone, welcome back to my videos. Today I'll teach you guys how to install Windows 9 on Windows Vista. Windows isn't support because it only supports Windows 7 or 8. So first, make sure you must you must edit Windows this. Okay, so I just need to restart it there, and now it's putting up. So before that, I just try to get my keys. The second delay. Okay, I will choose my country, which is Vietnamese, you know. Okay. Okay. So here is the key. You can look at it. Just below the comment, I will give you my keys of the 8. Okay, next. Okay, as work because I did try on my Dell and this my rookie. So I set it, and now click on custom. Now I will delete everything on here. Okay, so to make sure it's okay, I choose some Bessie. Oh my gosh. Okay, we are getting ready, and now it's time to finish. Oh no, we have been delete everything, and now it's putting Windows 8.1. Actually, it's Windows 9. Oh yeah, you guys see the difference? Yeah, you guys can see the difference. So this is my Dell M4010. It's running the same system as this. Okay, you guys can see that is the Windows 8.1 logos at the first, and before you can see Windows 10. That is such a big difference. Okay, I'm a bit, so just a bit. Okay, yeah. Okay, faster. No, what you need to know is type your name, type your email. So Here, try type it, but I won't let you guys know the password because that's such a important. Okay, don't worry, guys. Don't worry, it's normal. Shaking the leg, you are shaking the. Okay, you guys can see it's so fast that much faster than Windows 11 that I did. That's Windows. Turn the volume. So wait, I will turn the volume up. Checking update. I will be. Oh my gosh, so fast. Okay. Hey, what the heck? CC Windows 8.1. So try to open this. There is the big difference. Okay, we'll print it and let's see is there working for me. Download some toys. Okay. What's this logo mean? Oh my god. Oh, you guys can see? Okay, we are messing enough with Windows 8, but how to set it? Okay, wait, now setup. I don't know how to use it. Setup. As you guys can see, it's so fast that this isn't where I'm running it. So here guys, we finished and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you guys can check out my new video. This thing is bad. So make sure you guys subscribe, like the channel, and see you on the next video. Bye.